Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chaudhry. I'm in Hall 18 now and at the IMA Group booth, and I'm delighted to be joined by Thomas Fricke, who is the Commercial Director for Pharma, who's going to tell us what they're doing here this week. So first of all, Thomas, it's lovely to see you again, my friend. I saw you at IMA, now we're here. Before we talk about what you're showcasing this week though in Milano, can you give us a quick overview of IMA Group and particularly the Pharma division?
Okay, so welcome to Milano, welcome to the CPHI here on the booth of IMA, which is, let's say, a booth which is focusing only on pharma. But pharma in IMA is only one part of the big group. It's roughly 50% of the 2.5 billion which we will reach this year, and the rest is automation, it's food, it's whatever you wish, even the cigarette industry. So. But we are here in the Pharma division on the booth at the CPHI, and it's raining in Milano, so everybody outside, take your umbrella if you come here.
Well, this week at CPHI, I know you've got a range of different things that you're showcasing, but what are some of the key things that you want trying to get over to visitors about the pharma solutions you have?
Yeah. Let's say it's very difficult on an exhibition like CPHI, where the booths are not so big to really showcase what IMA is doing. So we have picked some specialities from the upper end, and let's say, we cannot say the lower end, but the upper end is behind me. It's the machine for the cell and gene therapy. We are now happy to say that we found one customer to produce cell therapy products on this type of machine with a tile. You know, Rizwan, we were talking during Aachen about it. We have done it.
Fantastic.
So now that's already showcasing the future of cell therapy, where you move. You can see here all these different movements of robotics, and this is also showing the highest speed possibility of IMA in the filling of steroids, where we go up to 36,000 products per hour. So this is a module which is showing the speed.
Fantastic. Now, I know also that you're highlighting automation and AI and also sustainability. So how is IMA in pharma using those sort of technologies now, and also working, I know you've done a lot of work around sustainability as well.
Yeah, if we turn around here on the screen, everybody could see our assembly part of the pharma world, where we do assembly of auto-injectors, where we do assembly of syringes and whatever. So this is a big part of our business nowadays, the complete line. We do the assembly of auto-injectors, we do the packaging in sustainable pure paper tray packages until the pellets. So this all-in-one principle is still valid, and we are pushing more and more. But also the market is demanding more and more in the obesity world, or wherever you go, it's coming more and more. And what you were asking regarding AI is funny, because we have seen a huge trend in direction of AI for making the life of the operators easier.
Right.
So all the intelligence is now put into fully automated machines, and this is something which is helping the customer not to be forced to have deep training, but to have a machine which knows a lot, and not the operator has to know a lot.
Well, that's interesting you should say that, because I remember a few years ago it was all about virtual reality and having Google Glass. Do you think now that was a fad and has disappeared, and AI has now taken its place in terms of now being more of a practical use in terms of technology?
Yeah, the Googles at that time we were talking about was very spacey, was very interesting. It was coming also out of the gaming world, where it's still, let's say, one part, and it's still very important there. But for us, the artificial intelligence is more in the machine control unit, where you let the operator understand what the machine is basically feeling. I feel not well in this bearing. There is a problem with the, let's say, lubrication. There is a problem with the breakage of a motor or potential. So the machine is helping you more by itself without being forced to use a Google. Also there, the technology has changed so much. Now our technicians are using their smartphones with the cameras just to show the headquarter if there is a problem on the machine, what's going on. You don't need to have Googles anymore. Googles was a step we have to take, also was very helpful in the COVID phase. for remote assistance.
Sure.
Nowadays not necessary.
Right, fantastic. Now, one final question for you, and I always ask this of you anyway every time I see you, but in terms of the pharma division of IMA Group, why should people work with you as a business rather than other companies out there? What makes what you do unique and different to other companies out there?
Yeah, I would say I would like to repeat what I just heard this morning, also on the exhibition. People, especially our customers, are busy and they have a risk-based approach. It means that they don't want to take any risk anymore if it is avoidable. In the past it was not avoidable to put a line together out of many components or a complete facility. Now the trend is not only towards complete lines from A to Z from one supplier, but also complete facilities. So we are going also even more in the basic and detailed engineering for supporting customers in this way. So let's say the big advantage of IMA is the pure size, the sheer size of IMA within the pharma world. So we just acquired Sarong a few months ago, so the suppository are now part of the IMA world. You can see on the other part of the IMA booth, you can see the logo OMAS TECNOSISTEMI.
Sure.
It's already IMA, but due to the fact that they booked the booth already before the acquisition, we still have these, not really splitted booths, but the two sections. They are producing machines for the cosmetic industry, mainly nutrition, but also part of the pharma filling lines. Also here, all in one, we do even the mixing and homogenization of liquids and semi-liquids. So the program is complete now also in the lower medium section of investment. It's not only the high level. So IMA was well known for this. Now we are going also in the medium field for the small and medium customers.
Brilliant. Well, Thomas, it's lovely to see you as always. I know we're only on day one, so I'm sure you'll be off your feet now for the rest of the week, but I hope you have a fantastic show this week in Milan. There you go. If you're here at CPHI Milan, come to Hall 18, stand A1. You can't miss the IMA booth. As soon as you walk in, you'll be on your left. You'll see it straight away. Come and talk to Thomas and the rest of the team and learn more about their solutions. If you can't do that, follow them on LinkedIn. They have their own LinkedIn page now, so follow them on LinkedIn and go to their website, and you can meet them on many other shows. Thomas, it's always lovely to see you.
Thanks a lot for coming by, Rizwan, and thank you to everybody who is coming to this show.
And viewers, thank you for watching.
Bye.
And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.